In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the Steam download cache and repair your library to fix common update or download issues. If your downloads are crawling, updates keep failing, or games suddenly won't launch, this quick maintenance routine is a reliable way to clean things up without touching your installed games. We'll keep it simple and follow a clear path inside the Steam app. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. Once it's open, look to the very top left corner of the window and click on Steam. That opens the main application menu where all the core settings live. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where you control how Steam behaves, including downloads, storage, and your library folders. Inside Settings, select Download from the sidebar. This page manages how Steam pulls game files to your PC. Here, find and click on Clear Cache. The download cache is a temporary collection of data Steam saves to speed up downloads. Over time, it can become cluttered or contain corrupted fragments, which can cause stuck downloads, missing content, or endless verifying loops. Clearing it removes only these temporary files. It doesn't uninstall your games or erase your save data. After clearing, Steam may prompt you the next time you use it to sign in again, which is completely normal. Next, while you're still in Settings, go to Storage. This section lists your Steam library folders across your drives and shows how much space each one uses. It's a useful snapshot to confirm where your games live and whether a specific library might be the source of a problem. Find the library folder you use for most of your games, then click on the three dots next to it. From that small menu, click on Repair Library. This process checks the integrity of the directory that holds your games, refreshes metadata, and corrects common folder permission issues that can prevent updates or installations from succeeding. It's safe to run and won't remove your games. Depending on the size of your library and the speed of your drive, the repair can take a little time, so let it finish. That's it. By clearing the download cache and repairing your library, you've addressed two of the most frequent causes of Steam download and update problems. After this, try your download or update again. If everything runs smoothly, you're good to go. If issues persist, it could be related to your network, disk health, or other system settings. But this routine is the best first step and resolves many cases right away. Thanks for watching.